Hello guys, welcome to High Voltage. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to do the melanin skin tone color grading in Photoshop. You don't believe us? Stick around because you won't actually get this result, or else you stick to the end of this video. This is there's a before and now there's the after. Now I'm gonna show you how we did this in Photoshop. So let me just quickly delete this and delete this. So what you want to do is to actually grab a picture into Photoshop, and now as you can see, this is a very fair woman and this is a very lovely picture I actually grabbed from Unsplash. So you can actually go up to www.unsplash.com to grab images like this. You can just search for woman portrait or something and you will see this picture, and this is actually free to use. You can actually use any of these pictures, and any of the pictures you see on Unsplash, but some are actually premium and you have to pay, but it's fine. You can actually get some awesome pictures like this from Unsplash. So let's just get right into it. So first you want to do is to duplicate the picture by pressing Ctrl J. So I have this duplicated already, so I'm just gonna name this the melanin copy. So fine, we have it named already. So what I want to do now is to start the work. So what I want to do now is to go to your adjustment layer and just click on your black and white. Now this looking magic, right? Now you're not just gonna play with any of these cursors here. You're gonna leave it the way it is right now. But what you want to stick to right now is to go to the blending mode and just click on multiply. Now what is this? What this actually does is makes it darker, right? Now as you can see, if this is what you actually want to achieve in the photo, you can actually leave it like this, but this is not good for me because the picture was way too bright. So I just want to add another one. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process by going to black white and just change the mode to multiply again. So I guess this is actually okay for me. So I'm just gonna reduce the opacity. We drop it somewhere about I think 65 is cool, right? This is actually solid. It's beautiful. So what I want to do right now is to actually click on the what they call it, the color balance, and just play with this. So let's just see how this actually works out. So you actually want to just play with this a little, and so let me switch on to the shadows and some shadows here. Okay, so I think this. So what you want to do right now is to actually go back to the first thing we started adding, that's a black white. You're gonna add another one this time, but this time you're gonna play with the cursors. So now you're adding it, and now we're just gonna reduce up some things. Let's play with the scenes. Let's see the blues. Let's see. Okay, fine. So we actually want to change this now to multiply, the blend mode to multiply again. So now what this does actually gives us a very much dark stuff. So what you want to do right now is to reduce the opacity. I'm gonna drop the opacity very much way down than others to actually get one. So I guess it's actually very pretty. I dropped this opacity to 5, so I guess it's awesome. So what do you think, guys? So now you want to actually group this so you don't get confused your work. You just click on the last one, you just hold and shift and click on the last one, and now you Ctrl G, that's to group all this. Now I'm just gonna name this Melanin Pro. Okay, that's awesome. So Melanin Pro or Pro Max. No, let's just leave them Pro. So now fine. So let's just check out this. This is the before, and now this is the after. This is a very rich color tone in Photoshop. So you might actually want to reduce the opacity of all this stuff we're actually seeing right now. So you can just go straight up to the opacity, that's the one we grouped, and just reduce it. If you can see, reduce to all to 0, we have a normal picture showing up. That means we're not using these layers then. But I just want to increase this to, let me see, okay, I guess 90 is fine, right? So 19 is cool. So this is it. So you can actually see increase opacity if you want. but I think I'm okay with 90. So this is fine. So tell me guys what you think in this color grading tutorial. If this is something worthwhile and this is something awesome, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and also watch more of our tutorials shown on the screen right now so you don't miss out on any of this. See you when next we see you. Cheers.